Hey guys, this is Tim with Perkins Roofing, and today we're going to talk about the 25% rule, which is a Florida rule for Miami-Dade and high velocity hurricane zone. Pretty sure it applies to the whole state, but since that's our primary work area, we always follow the rule. You can see behind me, I'm going to be using our office roof here as an example for the 25% rule. So turning you around here, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 different roof decks. Now the 25% rule states that if you're going to replace or if you're going to repair more than 25% of a roof deck, then you need to replace the entire thing. And people get confused by that because they don't understand the difference between the entire roof of the house and the roof deck. Now, this right here is one roof deck because the roof is all tied in together into one structure. This right here is a separate roof deck. So, for instance, under the 25% rule, I could do a repair that is less than 25% of this deck here. If I did that, I'd have to replace this whole deck, but I don't have to replace this one, I don't have to replace this one, and I don't have to replace this one. So I hope that makes sense. I'll use another couple of examples for roof decks. Like we can see the neighbor's house behind me, they have a flat roof and a shingle roof. Now the roofs do not have the same deck. The flat roof has one deck and the shingle roof has another deck. So if you have to repair 25% of the shingle roof, then you only need to replace the shingle roof. You don't have to replace the flat roof. So here, again, if we have a repair that's going to take up 25% of any of these 4 decks here, then we would have to re-roof that deck, but we do not have to re-roof the entire home. So if you have any questions about whether you meet the 25% rule and have to replace the whole thing, or if you just have to replace one deck, you can comment, send photos. We're happy to help in any way. Email us or comment on our YouTube video, and please follow us on YouTube and like the video if this video helped you.